Hi, I'm Bill.
And I'm Deb.
Thanks for watching Coddiwomple Overland. On this edition, we're going to be exploring our home area here in Elliot County, Kentucky.
Be sure and watch till the end. We have an announcement.
Elliott County is located in northeastern Kentucky. It's a small county, no 4 lanes, not even a stoplight. What you will find is single lane blacktop, gravel, and dirt roads, and the occasional water crossing. The northern part of the county is known for its farms and its rolling hills. It's also home to miles and miles of cliffline and Grayson Lake. There are several places to stop and look at the amazing scenery. One place in particular is here. This is Cold Springs. It is said that people once kept their goods back in this little hole right here to keep them cold. This area here stays green all year round because of the rhododendrons, the mountain laurel, and the pine trees. One thing that you won't find in any other area is the home for Wayward baby dolls, located just north of Elliott County on Route 32. This was originally a limestone mine. It later became a place where they grew mushrooms, now known as the mushroom mines. There are a few low water crossings in the county. This is one of our favorites. This is a perfect place to stop and play in the water and maybe even have lunch. Not all of the roads are pavement or gravel. There are also a fair share of just dirt roads. In the southern part of the county, there's more wilderness than there is farms. The reason for this is the terrain changes quite a bit. The hills become a little steeper and things are just a little more rugged. There are a lot of old cemeteries in the area. We stopped to learn about the history and pay our respects. There are several old homesteads around. This one was said to be once a hotel, and at some point in time it was also a post office. In the western part of the county, there's a blend of hills and farms. This was tobacco country, and there are still several barns still standing. While we didn't get into anything hardcore, there were a couple places to flex your suspension and get your tires muddy. Just west of Elliott County on Route 711, you'll find this gorgeous waterfall. And you might even find a tunnel. In this location, we came across some of nature's engineers. Elliot County truly has some of the most beautiful areas around. The Laurel Gorge Cultural Heritage Center is dedicated to the education of the heritage and natural environment of Elliott County. Inside the building they have an artisan center, and outside they have an awesome hiking trail. If you decide you want to spend more than one day here, you have the little sandy lodge to stay at, or you can camp at Jody's Coyote Trail. We hope you've enjoyed this little tour. Get out and explore some yourself, even if it's only for a day. And don't go away yet, we still have to make the announcement.
Thanks for watching the video. We really hope you enjoyed it. And now for our announcement.
We're giving away a trasheroo.
That's right, we're going to give away a trasheroo. Only thing you need to do to be involved is show a picture or a video on our Facebook page. Due on May 2nd is give it away on Facebook Live. You don't have to be on there, but we sure hope you are.
Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
We'll be back out on the cat soon.